Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how you can use Vlookup and Xlookup formulas in Excel. So we have one table where we have columns employee ID, employee name, sum of targets, sum of sales and percent achieved. So in this second table we only have employee ID. So I want to map or full details for these employees only. So first we'll use VLOOKUP formula. So for VLOOKUP we have to type is equal to VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP formula is here. If you click on tab, it will show. Then you have to select the value. I have select first employee ID, comma, then select the table range. Like we have employee ID as our first column, so we have selected from employee ID to the columns we have required. So the first column is employee ID, second is employee name, third is employee target, fourth is sum of sales and fifth is achieved. So we have to add comma and type the number where column is. So employee name is second column, so we have to add second comma 0 and close the bracket. So it will give us employee name. Similar, we can copy and paste here. So currently we have second, so for sum of target we have to click third. So our target is here. So this is VLOOKUP, and if you want to do it quicker way, you can use XLOOKUP also. So to XLOOKUP, click is equal to XLOOKUP, select the value, lookup value, comma, now select the entire column which is similar to your first selected column, which is employee ID. So I have select employee ID column, comma, now we have employee name, employee target, sales and percent achieved in the similar lines as the previous table. So you can directly select all 4 columns and close the bracket. If you click enter, all the details will be there, so it will save your time. If you don't have the columns in similar pattern, then you have to do only one on one. Like if you have C column only, you can click C to C, so you will get only first employee name. So similar you can do XLOOKUP. Thank you.